Just guess it. Yeah, I'm still killing on these beats and talking on my medicine. I got the style that you lacking, I'm full-blooded Mexican. I can't stop what I do, cause the lyrics come so quick. Gotta do it for my fans, G, so haters suck a dick. Bustin' rhymes, we can matching, got so many, it's like magic. If you lose, don't be traumatic. If you do it, get enacted. Haters live a life of sorrow, so my life they wanna borrow. I don't know about tomorrow, but today I'm staying sober. Nah, never mind. Stay high. So I'm smoking on the daily, and the homie packer send me with the screen. I'm always ready and like just and leave it wary. So don't confirm if you ain't really ready to battle. I be fucking up and try to throw in the towel. Music is my life, can't you tell? Just obvious. So catch me in the scene, try to look for an audience. With the homie rascal shit, I just gotta stay connected. Cause making music for the DASA is the main objective. We coming up, it's a getting known across the states. So shout outs to my boys that I know to can relate. Yeah, y'all worry no motherfuckers, stay motherfucking high as a boy Cooper and homie rest straight connected, stay with it.
I stayed banging with my raza, wasn't ready for these haters, so I spark another blunt and start gassing on these fakers. I mean, everything is greater when you do it for your people. When you listen to my story, you're always looking for the sequel, cause it's weed and dangerous features. Every time you see me flowing, every time your bitch is moaning, every time you see me rolling, it's me and it's a creeper hotboxing the beat. You wanna listen to me or another whack MC? You don't really want beef when it comes to your sister. If I had to hit it to get to you, we'll see who gets up quicker. You know me, you know I'm a little bit sicker. Never fake the funk without your permission.
It ain't over yet, don't forget about me. Mr. D up in this bitch and you already know what it is. I'm just dancing on this beat, straight dropping the heat. It'll never be the same since our bars hit the scene. I stay on a creep, on a come up with my team. If you're looking for me, I stay posted in the east. Ain't nothing changed, yeah, I'm still the same. In the booth, I'm a beast and these haters still promoting my name. How I'm loving the fame, strictly on the grind, I continue to shine. I stay focused in the streets, never drop a dime. I stay posted with my homie Resco 559 is what we reppin'. Never fake the funk, still gripping on a 12 gauge pump. In case you wanna run up, come and test your nuts. I ain't hard to find, I'll be posted with my G's, setting up shop and now I'm serving up these fiends. When it comes to the green, you know I got what you need. I'm flipping these sacks of weed, like I'm flipping these beats. And the fame, it ain't nothing to me. We do it for the love of the streets.
Martinez Productions.
That's right, that's right, that's right. Do it for the love of the streets. Mr. D, Mr. Creeper, Rascal 559.